We must state clearly that this broadcast only makes it clearer that Tinubu is a dictator and not a Democrat. The broadcast only exposes Tinubu for who he is, a megalomaniac and unprincipled dictator who wants to use force and coercion to consolidate his power. We therefore call on all Nigerians to come out in large numbers to continue this protest on Monday until our demands are met. By now we would notice that the Tinubu government has gone to the press to tell the press to stop capturing this protest with the hope that they can kill us all in silence.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. I watched a press conference by one of the organizers of the nationwide protest under the hashtag "In Bad Governance," or what some people term the hunger protest. In their press conference on Sunday, they talk about how President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has disappointed them in his broadcast, and that he didn't address any of the issues that led to the protest in the first place. And then they end up by saying that the protest will continue. That was just as I predicted it would in a previous video. Now, he said, these young men that spoke at that press conference, they talk about how they were intimidated, they are being intimidated, the harassment and everything, the tear gassing of their group as they go about their things. And then they now reveal that the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has told the traditional media to black them out. And they allege that the essence was that so that whatever brutality is unleashed on them, the world will not be able to see it, or so it's saying. But my take on that is that if the Tinubu administration truly want to black out these protesters, they don't want people to know about them, it means that they are living in the past. They are living in the 19th century journalism. They are not living in the 21st century journalism. In 21st century journalism, where you have people's journalism, where with a phone in your pocket, you can report what will be seen all over the world. Nobody pays attention to traditional media that if they don't report something that people will not hear it. That time is long gone. Every person who goes to either the National Stadium, Abuja, or to anywhere to go and protest with a phone in his pocket can stream the protest even better and much more trustworthy than the mainstream media. Perhaps they don't know it. There will be people with much more, it will be much more believable if a protester in the stadium or outside the stadium in Abuja or anywhere in Nigeria is streaming it live. His pictures, his videos will be much more believable by the rest of the world than from the mainstream media that the government can pay money not to show it. They will just waste government money, because the truth is that people do not even trust many mainstream media, not only in Nigeria, worldwide. Not only in Nigeria, worldwide. That is why, go and check the viewership of CNN. CNN used to be the golden standard. Who watches CNN now? Since they messed up the whole fake news, with their fake news and everything else, right from that Trump era. Who watches it? Even Joe Rogan, a podcaster, Joe Rogan has more views than CNN. Joe Rogan generates more views than CNN and other mainstream media in America. Because people lost confidence in others because they know they can sell out to government, they can be manipulated, and they will tell barefaced lies that people could say. So if the administration think that they can be able to bully those who are protesting by blacking them out, they're just wasting their time. Because unless they shut down Facebook, shut down Twitter, shut down Instagram, shut down everything, all social media platforms, or the Kukuma shut down the telecommunication system in Nigeria, they cannot be able to stop the world from seeing what was happening. Yes, they cannot be able to stop the world from seeing it. Because for every video by any member or any person that come out at the Ego Square or at the stadium or in Lagos or in Ibadan or in Enugu or anywhere to protest, for any single video there, it has the potential of going viral and being seen all over the world. It has the potential of being presented as evidence, whether at the United Nations or the International Criminal Court of Justice. That's a fact. So they better know it if they think that they can brutalize the protesters because the mainstream media will not be there. But I doubt if the mainstream media will not be there, because mainstream media also chasing the cloud. They are also looking for viewership. They're also looking for advertisers. Because don't forget, the advertisers are digital advertisers now. Most of the adverts goes digital, social media adverts, and the mainstream media want to survive through it. So if they kowtow to the government that they will not show it, they have only lost out, because those who will show it will gain the traction. People will watch it. People will circulate it. That's the power of social media. Just look at Mike Ejeagha with the resurgence of his legendary of song, Gwom Gwom Gwom. It's all over the world. It's not Nigerian mainstream media that made it to be trending all over the world. It's not Nigerian mainstream media. Nigerian mainstream media will not give a space for Mike Ejeagha. But look at what Brain Jotta did with it. And now it's all over the world. So anybody who think that it can stop, it can disable the protest by telling mainstream media, whatever call, not to show it. Those people, they are losers. Both the government are losers, and then the mainstream media that will adhere to it, they are also losers, because they are going to lose out in something that will bring traction to their platforms. The truth of the matter is that Nigerians are interested in this protest, and that's why so many people who thought that it will not succeed, including yours truly, I never believe it will succeed to the level it did. And also, don't forget, I didn't particularly like protest. I didn't support protest, because I felt that when Nigerians should have protested, they didn't protest. When Nigeria should have protested was after that election. When that result was not transmitted electronically, it would have raised it was a red alert. It's supposed to raise on Nigeria that, look, this result is not going to be what we voted for. And then protest until Buhari will cancel that presidential election result. And another one conducted. Nigeria didn't protest then. So I just feel that what's the point protesting now? What's the point protesting? That's my feeling. And you can see the way the disdain the president treated those who protested. He didn't even bother about their points of view. It showed that he has no regard for it. Because, to be frank, when Nigerians supposed to protest was when that election result was not transmitted electronically. It would have told Nigerians that the result coming out will not be at the will of Nigerian people. But Nigerians got told as pandering to ethnic and religious sentiment, and the result is what it is. So I just felt that those who are protesting and they just want to cash out. I wouldn't be surprised that those who are protesting are also cashing out. I don't rule out that possibility. So that's my take on this. But the fact remains that since the protest has started, government cannot be able to tell the traditional media. They can't be able to tell the traditional media not to show it, but it will not stop it from being seen all over the world and within Nigeria. That's basically my point. Because I just did do this video because it's to remind everyone that those who are protesting has enormous power in their pocket with their phone, which they can stream all over the world. So no, government cannot stop them. The only way government can stop them is to shut down the telecommunication system in Nigeria, which they are not likely to do. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.